Hey guys, so question number one. When did I realize that I was now famous? Um, I guess when you asked me this question, I don't consider myself famous. I think I have quite a bit of popularity and I like it, but I mean, when I realized that people started recognizing me was when they came up to me in public. They were just like, "Excuse me, are you Mamachel?" And I just be like, "Yes." But I really prefer them coming up to me than staring and not saying anything. Um, how did I get into social media and video blogging? All right, I got in by ex-boyfriend. I used to tell him every day all the stuff my taxi man used to tell me and all my adventures and how we get stuck in traffic and whatever, whatever. And I guess he was tired of hearing me tell him everything that went through with my day, and he was just like, "Hey, you know this thing called Blogspot? Why don't you start it?" And it kind of went from there. So I went from, I think he used it as a means to shut me up. Maybe. But yeah, that's how I started. Social media. I just, Twitter, I said, let me check it out. And I did, and I liked it.